Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. We, on behalf of Nazir Fatima Memorial Foundation, are now at Bangladesh in one of the Jala called Feni, and we came here to distribute dry food item among the flood victim here. You know, last 2 weeks ago, it was a heavy flooded in this area. Right now, more than 50 million people are covered in the water. So that's why these people are in very trouble. That's why we are providing them food, because they haven't any food. We are providing them also purified water, because you can see around me everywhere the water is still here. But inshallah, this is our second day of distribution. We came here in very critical area. We are trying our best to provide our food to the most needy people, really who are needs of people in this emergency situation. So thank you everyone. Thank you Nazir Fatima Memorial Foundation and the entire team for helping us, for working us with us to provide food. Inshallah, may Almighty Allah accept all of us. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
पानी नहीं थे क्या था पानी नहीं थे क्या था हम गारों में बहुत सुंदर दिया ये तो